Howdy, my name is Marilyn Yeager, and I work at the Career Center as an Associate Director for Graduate Student Services, and I'm grateful to be with you today to begin to share some of the resources the Career Center can offer to you, and please be aware that these are resources you can continue to use after you graduate. I'm imagining that today you're probably very focused on the upcoming semester and beginning your graduate studies. I'd like to take a step back, though, and ask you a quick question. Have you begun to think about the career that you would like to have after you graduate? If the answer to this question is no, please be aware that you are not alone. Many students, as they begin their graduate studies, do not have a clear career goal, and that's the whole purpose of this presentation, to begin to show you a process and the resources that you can use to identify careers and prepare for the career that you choose before you graduate. The Career Center hopes that all graduate students, as you are working towards your academic degree, that you will take the time to go through a career development process to prepare for what you will do after you graduate. This process usually begins with assessment of your interests, your values, your skills, and then to begin to identify careers that might match with your preferences. Then there's an exploration process of both academic and non-academic career options, and it's very helpful to have conversations with people who are already working in the careers that you are considering, to hear their experience and their insight to help you determine if the career really is a good fit for you. It's also important to research companies to really understand what their recruiting needs are so that you can best show them that you can help them with their recruiting needs and you would be a valued member of their team. In this process, many students realize there are skills and competencies that they will want to strengthen before they graduate. And then the final step in this career development process is to actually apply for positions. The Career Center has resources to help you find employment opportunities, and we can coach you on how to have an effective job search by tailoring each application for each position that you apply for. These are the steps of the career development process, and the earlier that you begin to explore and having conversations with professionals in your field of interest, the more time that you will have to prepare for the career that you choose. How can the Career Center help you through this process? For the rest of the presentation, I'd like to briefly share some of the resources the Career Center can offer to you. Every semester, the Career Center collaborates with the Center for Teaching Excellence, the Office of Graduate and Professional Studies, and the Postdoctoral Association to give workshops to introduce students to the Individual Development Program resources. These resources will walk you through this entire career development process, and we offer an IDP series each semester for students to work through this process with their peers. The Texas A&M IDP was created by the Center for Teaching Excellence, and we recommend this IDP for all students. And there are 3 additional IDP resources that have excellent assessments and career information for you to use. Versatile PhD is a great resource to explore non-academic career options. There are career articles and career panels. There are online communities that you can join and learning modules. Career Insider by Vault is known for their ranking of top companies in different fields. They have industry guides that you can download, a great day in the life of blog to gain insights into different careers, company information, and salary information. The Career Center website is higheraggies.com, and it is full of career information. Bristol PhD and Vault are in the Higher Aggies section of our website. You can also see our graduation survey salary data, and we have a very complete career guide that can help you through this process. Our jobs are found in the Launch Higher Aggies section of the website, and there are job postings from over 4,200 companies that are actively recruiting Aggies. These are companies, many of them have come in the past, and they continue to come every year to recruit Aggies because they are so happy with the quality of the applicants that they find at our university. So you really have a home court advantage because these are recruiters that are already seeking to hire Aggies because of the strength of our academic programs. You are usually able to find an HR contact for each position so you can advocate for yourself. You can see all of the past positions that have been recruited for on campus so you can better understand the recruiting needs of the companies. And this system uses artificial intelligence, so once you begin to use it, you will be shown related opportunities. CareerShift is a web crawler and lists any position that is publicly posted on the internet. One of the great features of CareerShift is you can use multiple keywords to search for career titles and open positions. So you may at this point not know the exact career title, but you know a number of keywords that you would want in the job description. You can see all the job titles, the companies that are recruiting those titles, the experience, the skills, the education that they are seeking. You can find contacts with by their position title or by their geographic location. This is an amazing resource. If you utilize CareerShift on higheraggies.com, there's no additional cost to you to use this resource. If you go directly to careershift.com and log in on their website, this resource would cost you $60 a month. So please remember to utilize higheraggies.com to access the resources I'm talking about today. A feature on CareerShift is a new filter to identify those companies that, or those job postings that mention H-1B visas, and they have a directory of over 2,700 companies that have recently sponsored H-1Bs. GoinGlobal is another great resource on our website that has H-1B visa information. Their list of companies goes back 10 years. So this is an example of how you can use information on our website to do your research and be more strategic in the companies that you apply to. I've been mentioning opportunities that are publicly posted, but not every position is broadly advertised. There is a hidden job market that are not advertised. So how do you find those positions? You need to network. You need to have conversations with professionals in your field and within the companies that you would like to be a part of. LinkedIn is an amazing resource to help you in your job search. There are over 385,000 Aggies that have profiles in LinkedIn, and the Career Center can give you suggestions on how to best use LinkedIn in your job search and how to build your professional brand. Many students are unaware of the Find an Aggie directory on the Association of Former Students website. I like to typically find new contacts in LinkedIn because it's so quick and efficient, but if I don't know them, I will email them on Find an Aggie. The contact will get an email from the Association of Former Students, so they immediately know that you're part of the Aggie network. If you're going to be applying for a non-academic position, chances are you're going to be using a resume. DMOC can give you immediate feedback on the formatting, the organization, and the impact of the content on your resume. Even before COVID-19, we were seeing an increasing trend of more and more recruiters using a virtual mock interview program for their first screening interview. And now, since COVID-19, most interviewing is done in the virtual format. You can use our virtual mock interview tool to prepare, to gain confidence, and improve your skill with this type of interviewing format. If you use the keyword graduate, you can see all of the mock interviews that we've prepared for graduate students to practice with. Every semester, we schedule workshops on career development and professional development topics. We would be happy to provide a requested workshop to your student organization or your department that we could tailor specifically to your students' needs. You may have, in this conversation, realized that you do have questions about your future career and how to prepare for that. We have several advising options. You can register to attend walk-ins on Monday or Friday morning or Wednesday afternoon. You can also make an appointment for a one-on-one advising appointment, or you can send us a question by email. There are so many resources on the Texas A&M campus to help you be successful as graduate students and to support you. We hope that you will utilize the Career Center as one of these resources to go through this career development process and prepare for your career following graduation. We would like you to know that we are happy that you have chosen Texas A&M to attend. We welcome you and we wish you every success in your graduate program.